staying on the left lane so that the trees don't fall and hit the road.
Exactly, like the one we drove over.
Yeah, we drove over the top of the tree. Ridiculous. It's only April. I mean, you gotta expect it.
This was a day late April Fool's joke.
Yeah. Treat me down. Treat me down. The trees are just like, you feel them like, kind of like I am with my back, like, that hurts. I'm Mr. Tree and my branches are bending. They wanna break and come down. If you look close, really inside that right there, you know, you can just feel their tension.
Yeah, especially this one. Look at this one here.
Oh yeah.
That looks like a fan on
That
like
one did break.
like a Nevada.
Ice palm tree.
No, the flamingo ladies, the dancers.
Oh yeah,
with
yeah.
all the feathers.
I always like that when they're nude behind it.
They're what?
They're nude behind the feather.
Oh, never seen that, but okay.
That's the burlesque or whatever it's called. This is very burlesque. The beautiful ice down forest. Ouch. There you go. This thing. I gotta go. Don't be that. My burning bush. If it was a burning bush, it would survive right now with these ice cap branches, right?
Yes.
I guess some power lines are down. I'm surprised these are covered. Well, I guess these are right here. We had a string of those come down. That was crazy. Well, I'm gonna be stopping this video. Well,